In this video, we will talk about a different feature in NICE CXone called Campaign and what it is used for. Once you log into the NICE portal, here you would be able to locate campaigns. The campaign feature is usually used to create reports. Let me show you by creating a new campaign. So first we click on create, and now we'll have to give it a name. Let us name it as HR team. Once we do that, we can click on create. You can see that a new campaign ID has been created. Now you can map the required skills and get started. Now let us talk about the main function of this feature. So under NICE CXone, campaign is a group of skills which is used to organize reports. Accordingly, we can assign different skills to different campaigns. As you can see in this diagram, skill A, B, and C belong to campaign A, whereas campaign B has a different set of skills. The same skill cannot be under different campaigns, and the skills have to be unique. How does that help us? So it gives us the ability to choose and assign different skills to different campaigns, and they help us organize and access our reports better. This way, related skills can be grouped together under one campaign for reporting. When a new campaign is created, it remains active. If you have the permission, you should be able to deactivate or later reactivate a campaign. But remember, if there are any active skills assigned to a campaign, you would not be able to deactivate it. Let's understand campaigns with the help of an example. Mary Lennox is a contact center admin who has created a campaign called Bouquet Sales. She would like to track different types of bouquets like rose, daisy, tulip, and so on. Mary has created a different skill for each of those bouquet types. So this campaign will help her track the sales and inventory during peak business days like, let's say, Mother's Day. So after setting up the campaign, Mary can now run different reports like campaign summary for the entire campaign, campaign summary for skill for each of the bouquet types, along with the ability to download the data. Each campaign also has an audit history to track the changes made to it, including what was changed and when the change was made, and it also captures the ID with which the change was made. Here is a look at the campaign that Mary had created. So here is a campaign for bouquet sales, and by accessing the tab for skills, we can add each of the skills there. Now let's understand what a skill is. So in our world of telephony, skill is a type of contact a particular agent is trained to handle. On the IVR, when it says press 1 for billing, press 2 for tech support, press 3 for sales, you get the option to choose a specific skill for which the agent is trained. So if you press 1, the call gets routed to the agent who is trained to handle billing questions. Similarly, skill A will help us track all the agents in the billing department. Skill B will help us track all the agents in a different department. So when we click on create new skill, we get to choose the media or the channel like chat, digital, email, phone call, or voicemail. Just how a skill can be assigned only to one campaign, similarly, an agent can be assigned only to one team. Teams on NICE CXone are like the organization chart in a company where the same person cannot be in two different teams. This is how the chart would look like if we put it all together. Now here you can see that two separate campaigns are here, one for customer service and the other is for sales. Under each of those campaigns, you can see skills like English, Spanish, and voicemail. The three agents have different skills assigned to them and they are part of the same team. So with this feature, you get to pull different detailed reports based on skill for different team members who are part of the same team. So that was a basic explanation of campaigns in NICE CXone. See you in the next.